Let's move on to Introduction to Java Development Kit, JDK. The Java Development Kit, JDK, is a crucial software development environment provided by Oracle that allows developers to create Java applications. It includes the Java Runtime Environment JRE, a set of development tools and libraries necessary for compiling, debugging, and executing Java programs. In this lesson, you will learn how to install the JDK, configure the necessary environment variables, and verify that your installation was successful. Don't worry if this feels new at first. This section covers Step 1, downloading the JDK. To get started, you need to download the JDK from the official Oracle website. Follow these steps. You'll see a few items listed here. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Oracle JDK Downloads page. Next, select the version of the JDK you wish to download. For beginners, it's recommended to download the latest stable version. Then, choose your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux, and click on the corresponding download link. Take a moment to read the rest on screen. Now, Step 2, installing the JDK. Once the download is complete, you need to install the JDK. The installation process varies slightly depending on your operating system. Next, for Windows, there are several points on this slide. First, locate the downloaded.exe file and double-click it. Next, follow the installation wizard instructions, clicking Next on each screen. Then, choose the installation path or leave it as default, recommended. Check the slide for the remaining items. Now we're on for macOS. First, locate the downloaded.dmg file and double-click it. Next, drag the JDK icon to the Applications folder. Finally, close the installer once the copying is complete. For Linux, let's dig in. Let's walk through the main points. First, open a terminal window. Next, navigate to the directory containing the downloaded.tar.gz file. Then, run the following command to extract the files. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Let's move on to Step 3, configuring environment variables. After installation, you need to configure the environment variables to ensure that your system recognizes the JDK commands. Now we're on for Windows. You'll see a few items listed here. First, right-click on this PC or My Computer and select Properties. Next, click on Advanced System Settings. Then, in the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Take a moment to read the rest on screen. For macOS, let's dig in. Let's walk through the main points. First, open a terminal window. Next, edit the .bash_profile or .zshrc file depending on your shell. Then, add the following lines. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Next, for Linux, there are several points on this slide. First, open a terminal window. Next, edit the .bashrc file. Then, add the following lines. Check the slide for the remaining items. This section covers Step 4, verifying the installation. To confirm that the JDK was installed correctly, you can check the version of Java installed on your system. You'll see a few items listed here. First, open a command prompt, Windows or Terminal, macOS/Linux. Next, type the following command and press Enter. Then you should see output similar to. Take a moment to read the rest on screen. In this lesson, you learned how to first, download and install the JDK on your operating system. Next, configure the necessary environment variables for Java development. Also, verify that your installation was successful by checking the Java version. Alright, your turn. Give this a try. Now that you've installed the JDK, try the following first. Explore the JDK installation directory on your system. Next, write a simple Java program that prints Hello World to the console. Also, compile and run your Java program using command line tools.